You are watching Global Auto Digest, your ultimate gateway to the world's most thrilling machines. Today, we are diving into the BMW S1000RR 2025 bike, a superbike that takes performance, design, and technology to entirely new heights. This is more than just a motorcycle, it's an icon of speed, precision, and engineering mastery. The 2025 S1000RR arrives with a sharper aerodynamic profile. Its aggressive front fascia, aerodynamic winglets, and sculpted bodywork aren't just for looks, they're designed to keep the bike glued to the road at high speeds. The legendary asymmetrical headlights have evolved into a sleeker, more futuristic form, making this bike instantly recognizable from any angle. Under the fairing, the heart of the S1000RR beats with a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, producing over 205 horsepower. Thanks to BMW's shift-cam technology, it delivers seamless power delivery, calm and controlled when cruising, yet explosively fast when you twist the throttle. From a standstill, it can reach 100 km/h in just about 3 seconds, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. BMW has packed the S1000RR 2025 with a suite of advanced electronics, dynamic traction control, cornering apps, wheelie control, engine braking management, and multiple customizable riding modes. The 6.5-inch full-color TFT display keeps you in command, offering crisp visuals even in bright sunlight, while smartphone connectivity allows navigation and ride data tracking right from the cockpit. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to fully adjustable Marzocchi USD forks in the front and a precision-tuned rear shock. Brembo brakes with twin 320mm discs up front provide instant stopping power, ensuring safety at every speed. Whether attacking a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, the S1000RR remains planted, predictable, and thrilling. Despite its race-bred DNA, BMW hasn't forgotten rider comfort. The seat design, handlebar placement, and improved heat management make it surprisingly suitable for longer journeys. This balance between raw performance and comfort is what makes the S1000RR stand out in the superbike category. The BMW S1000RR 2025 is more than a machine, it's a pure expression of passion for speed and precision engineering. For riders who demand the ultimate in performance, control, and style, this is a bike that delivers an unforgettable experience every single time you ride. Thanks for watching. Subscriber to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.